This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome. Breaking news out of Texas today. Amazon is making a massive move that's raising serious environmental red flags. The tech giant is investing in a brand new gas-burning power plant in Pecos County, Texas. And here's the shocking part. It's being built specifically to power a colossal data center. We're talking about an AI infrastructure project so enormous it could become the single largest source of greenhouse gas emissions in the entire United States. Let that sink in for a moment. One data center, one power plant, potentially America's worst polluter. This is huge because AI infrastructure is absolutely exploding in energy demands right now. Every ChatGPT query, every AI model training session, every inference happening in the cloud requires massive amounts of electricity. Amazon is betting big on this capacity, but the climate cost is staggering. Environmental groups are already sounding the alarm. This represents a fundamental conflict between AI advancement and climate responsibility. We're seeing this tension play out across the entire industry right now. In product news, OpenAI just made a strategic acquisition that tells us a lot about their future direction. They've bought NextSlide, a presentation software startup. But this isn't just about adding another tool to their portfolio. The entire NextSlide team is now working directly on ChatGPT development. This signals something important. OpenAI is aggressively expanding into productivity tools. Think about it. They already have document creation capabilities. Now they're moving into presentations. The vision here is clear. They want ChatGPT to become your complete productivity suite. Imagine creating presentations, documents, spreadsheets, all through one AI interface. This acquisition is relatively quiet compared to some industry moves, but it's strategically brilliant. OpenAI is building an ecosystem. They're not just making a chatbot anymore. They're constructing an entire platform for how we work. This could fundamentally reshape productivity software as we know it. The AI landscape is shifting rapidly on multiple fronts today. We're seeing investment flowing in different directions than many predicted. The data center explosion is one piece. The productivity tool consolidation is another. These trends are interconnected. More AI capability requires more infrastructure. Better infrastructure enables more sophisticated applications. It's a cycle accelerating faster than most people realize. Tech companies are making billion-dollar bets on where this goes next. Some are betting on raw computational power. Others are betting on user-facing applications. The smartest players are doing both simultaneously. OpenAI's NextSlide acquisition shows they understand this game. Build the infrastructure, build the applications, build the ecosystem, control the entire value chain. That's the strategy emerging across the industry right now. What's fascinating is how these stories connect to the bigger picture of AI development in 2026. We're at an inflection point. The technology works. The question now is scale and sustainability. Can we scale AI responsibly? Can we build the infrastructure without destroying the planet? These aren't rhetorical questions anymore. They're practical challenges we're facing right now. Amazon's Texas decision is forcing this conversation into the mainstream. You can't ignore environmental impact when you're potentially becoming the nation's worst polluter. Meanwhile, companies like OpenAI are racing to build the applications that justify all this infrastructure investment. It's a fascinating moment in tech history. We're literally watching the AI revolution unfold in real time. That's what's happening in AI today, August 9th, 2026. Amazon's environmental gamble in Texas. OpenAI's productivity platform expansion. Two stories that define where this industry is heading. The infrastructure race, the application race, both accelerating simultaneously. Thanks for watching AI News 5 Minutes. Hit that subscribe button for daily updates on everything happening in artificial intelligence. We're covering the stories that matter. We're breaking down the implications. We're keeping you informed on the future. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.